The flexibility and scalability of Milestone has been extremely easy for us as an organization to implement. Being able to add multiple cameras, we're not limited by physical DVR ports any longer. And so the scalability and flexibility of Milestone has really allowed us to grow to where we need to be. Currently the Harris County Toll Road comprised of about 119 miles of roadway. We move over 500,000 vehicles per day, and we generate about $1.5 million in revenue per day. The importance of a reliable video analytic and recording system in a large transportation industry is extremely important. We need to be able to track where cars are going, safety and security of our funds, and not only that, provide real-time video to law enforcement personnel when they're responding to any incidents or actions that may occur. Another problem we run into is thefts at the toll booths. People drive up to a toll booth, stick a gun in the collector's face, give me all your money. You can ask any one of those toll booths or toll collectors that have been held up, when somebody robs them, you ask for a description, they don't know, all they saw was a gun. Now having these cameras in the booths, we're able to see what the collector's doing and also the vehicle that drives up and get a picture of the driver. So, if we do have a robbery at a toll booth, then, we have video evidence of that robbery. The Milestone platform does assist us as far as operation and maintenance of the recording system. Being able to set up multiple backups and archives for our system and allowing us to manage those backups and those archives, Milestone's been extremely beneficial in managing that video. We're currently using Milestone XProtect Enterprise, which has been great for us. I'd like to thank Milestone again for all the support we've received. They've been very instrumental in the installation and setup of this, along with our integrator SecureNet. We couldn't have done it without them. IP is the best solution for the amount of territory that we cover, mainly because of the infrastructure requirements. With analog cameras like we currently have, the amount of infrastructure required, cables, power supplies, equipment, housing as such, is immense. Switching to an IP system has really allowed us to reduce the amount of cabling required and also the cost of the DVRs themselves and power supplies, and it's been very beneficial in allowing us to expand our system with less cost to us. We have 250 plus planned IP cameras. I actually think we've done a little more looking into it since I actually made this presentation, and it's probably going to be closer to 300 now. We just brought our new building online, and we have approximately 45 cameras going in there, of which about 35 are installed at this time. The future of the installation, we'd like to eventually bring all of our roadway cameras online. That's approximately 400 plus cameras, along with the 300 plus security cameras that we plan to have in place. So with a total system like that, we're looking at approximately 700 to 800 cameras, and we'd still like to leave room for additional cameras if necessary. Our goal is to have close to 280 cameras total in our system. Some of our future objectives is to integrate the roadway cameras. We currently have approximately about 410 roadway cameras that we monitor and dispatch. We'd eventually like to make all that roadway video available to the public. So we're trying to convert all this ATM equipment and systems over to an IP system, and we'd like to eventually take all that roadway video, put it to a central server, and be able to stream that to other county agencies. Obviously, there would be a delay in the video stream to the public, but law enforcement and other county agencies would be able to access that video immediately or real time.